Yo, what's up guys? We got my BRZ in the garage shop, you know, and looking good. I got my friend's taillights on for right now because my taillights have been taking forever to come in. But right now we are gonna put on this front pipe, no cap, just a resonator, so it kind of looks like a cap, but it's not. And we got my MXP Unequal Headers and my Overpipe, so I'm gonna have a full exhaust on my car. We have it lifted up right now, but I'm gonna do a before and after of how it sounds when you just start it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up right now. For this is stock exhaust, well not stock, but just a catback, as a MXP catback. But yeah, we obviously have the other 86s here, the actual true Toyota 86. And that piece of crap red FRS. I'm joking, it's sick. He just actually got a body kit put on it. I'm gonna go take a gander at it really quick. Yeah, look at that front lip. It looks sick, and then he has the side skirt and everything. He has that carbon fiber wing. Actually, it's not carbon fiber, but he's gonna get a gloss black. It's gonna match everything else. It's gonna look sick. He has the taillights I want. I'm gonna get those exact same taillights actually. But man, I love this kit. Like it's not like a whole bunch, but it's like just enough, just right to make it look sick. And obviously we got this 86 with the carbon fiber little lip on it, which is a nice touch. And I just love these cars. I'm gonna go ahead and open my box, so I want to see exactly what my unequal header and my overpipe looks like. Alright, here is the MXP. It says it right there. It's probably not focusing that well, but MXP unequal header. I'm so excited. That kind of looks like it has cats in it right there, but it's not. It's for off-road use only. Same with the overpipe and the front pipe. So I'm just gonna lay this up here. I think overall it looks pretty good. The welds look pretty good. It's not perfect, but there's definitely no leaks as I can see. They did a really good job at sealing everything in there. So I'm pretty happy with that. That's where the O2 sensor goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off my old exhaust and try slapping this header on along with the overpipe. Alright, so I just went ahead and pulled off all the little plastic tabs. There's a bunch of plastic tabs all up in here and all up in the front as well. And once those get off, you gotta get a 12 mil and a 10 mil. And there's a bunch of bolts like these all back to where he's going at it, and on this side. So we're all three, aside fact FRS 86, you know, I got the BRZ. They're all going at it, trying to get those done as fast as possible and see how it turns out. Oh, by the way, my Open Flash tablet came with a Life of Tappy. If you didn't get one of these, then you got skeeted. Apparently, Scott over there did not get that, but you know, we got the Life of Tappies up in this. Alright, so yeah, unbolt my cap that I put on like not even like a month ago or two. And we gotta get all the heat shields off. That's a stock header with the heat shield on it. Gotta take all that crap off. Yeah, we're gonna start from the back and work our way forward, taking everything off. And that should be the best way to do this. Alright, just a heads up. If you guys were doing this yourself, I would make cups with things on it to know exactly what they are for like the back skid plate. Metal is a front skid plate because the front skid plate is all metal, and there's like these little clip-on things. And we got header bolts, which we're currently taking more off. And we have overpipe belt bolts. And we have it all organized, even though it did come with new hardware as well, which we'll be using. But for some reason, it did not come with gaskets for the unequal part where it goes into your engine. But these are from a 2017 86, barely used because he has unequal headers on his silver 86 way out there. You probably can't see it. But he already has unequal headers that came with gaskets, so I'm going to use his old gaskets because they're basically brand new. Well, yeah, the jack is kind of in the way over here on this side.
Yeah. Here, hold this just in case.
Alright, so the jack was in the way. We have jack stands. And look at that. Just like that, it's out. And we have it out with the O2 sensor on it. We just unplug the things on it. Makes it a lot more easier whenever you actually take the O2 sensors off to put them on the new header. So let's go ahead and re-jack this up and get this out of the way and switch over the O2 sensors. Like, this thing is so heavy in comparison to the much smaller unequal header, so much nicer as well. And this is the front pipe. I went ahead and put both O2 sensors back on the unequal header, and now I don't know what they're doing right now. I think they're trying to get the overpipe out. So there's just a couple of screws on the heat shield to make it a lot more room, and we pull it right on out. Alright, so this is the front pipe connecting to the overpipe, and these bolts are so rusty and they are not coming off easy at all. We got some WD-40 right there. I would recommend PB Blaster, but we don't got that right now. So WD-40, we spray that down. We've been letting it soak for like 10-15 minutes now, so we're gonna go ahead and try getting them off. But this is the hardest part. Like, we already got the header off, as you guys saw, but the overpipe is honestly the hardest part to get off on this car, and the front pipe connecting to it. So we're gonna get that off for you guys, and we're gonna bolt up the new exhaust, and hopefully it all works out good. So he had to cut apart the heat shield so you can get it out of here. We did it on his 86 as well out there. I don't know why it's such a pain to get the stock overpipe out, but it really is. But this makes it a whole lot easier. Well, apparently you don't need this piece, so screw it, I guess. Alright, now we're trying to put on the unequal header, so we gotta line this up. So put this gasket on like that, and we line it up with the holes. It's on, and my pipe is on. You're on?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Alright, now hold on. Yeah.
Alright, now we have new bolts, or these old ones?
I use the old ones.
Alright.
I don't think you even had new ones.
Yeah.
I didn't get new ones on mine.
Yeah, the bolts are actually pretty high quality for the stock.
Yeah, I know, I'm kind of shocked. Mine were real good too. Mine were very good.
Yeah, these are pretty good. Now from the top of my engine bay, when I look down, I can perfectly see my new headers on there. Looks so much better than stock headers, which is all heat shield basically.
I'll just save that to last. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, the header went on perfectly with just one of the power tools we have, which is nice. Alright, it is finally now all installed, thanks to my friends too. They helped out a lot. I did a lot of work too, but when the unequal header is on, below with the overpipe, which you can't really see because it goes over the frame, and then the front pipe that looks like a cat, but it's actually resonated, which is cool. All the way back to my catback, which is still the MXP Cop RS catback. We're gonna go ahead and start it up and see what it sounds like. When we installed the exhaust, we saw a bunch of crap inside the exhaust system, so I already know what that is. It smells so good though, and I just love the way it sounds. The way it started up is so sick, and I just love it. I can't wait to have it properly tuned. It's not properly tuned yet, but within a couple of days it will be. I just have to wait for an email to come in with the proper tunes for my car. Yeah, but overall, I love the way it sounds, dude. It sounds amazing. It sounds just like a WRX, the way I want it to sound. I can't wait until I turbocharge it with unequal headers, because I will be doing that when I do turbocharge this beast of a car. Alright, I am installing stage 2 tune right now, and the reason I starts earlier for my car were bad was because I had an exhaust leak, which I'll talk about that a little bit later. And I had a rattling issue, but again, I'll talk about that later. Right now, I'm about to start it up with my tune, Stage 2 tune, for the first time, and it's cold, so it should be pretty loud. And I wait for this to finish, and then I'm gonna hop out and record my first startup. And then I gotta go to work because it's 7:45 in the morning, and I got work at 8 o'clock.